Hello everyone, you can earn point from this website. You can see I earn 540 point and you can see this my wallet and this is tax. You can complete this task and earn point. You can invite friend and claim point and other stocks you can see, and you can get uh, big airdrop from this website, and you can check leaderboard, uh, your rank, so you can earn this point this website, and it will airdrop big airdrop soon. So now visit my comment link and join this website and create account and complete tasks for get more big airdrop.